And sir, ano po, bali po, ako po ay fourth year student, taking po finance. And
Finance? Wow,
Finance, ma'am.
sabihin, finance. Iba accountancy, iba pa yan, no?
iba pa po, bali, ang
Finance.
hawak po ng pera.
Oo.
Ayan po. And ang aming pong thesis is all about cash management sa ng coffee shop. Paano nyo po mina-manage at the same time being resilient. And that is like our escape lang naman po.
Effects of cash management practices and the profitability and the financial resiliency of coffee shops in Cavite. Cash management. Bigyan mo ako context mo ng cash management.
Ano po, it's all about cash budgeting, cash allocation, and nandiyan po yung indicators.
Okay.
And cash control po.
Mga term ng allocation, budgeting, control. Yung financial resiliency.
Ayun po yung financial resiliency naman po. It's all about kung paano po minanage, paano nagtagal po yung business.
Okay.
Being resilient at the same time may kinakaharap po like struggles, problems. Paano nyo po siya hinahandle?
Okay. Yung pag-adapt dun sa mga unexpected problems. No? In line with this, we kindly ask for a few minutes of your time to participate as a valid respondent to our study. Rest assured that all information provided will be kept to the use confidentiality and solely for thesis purposes. Your cooperation will be immensely valued and appreciated. Alright. So, paano gagawin natin?
Ano lang po? Ballpen.
Ang dami nito, bro. Dami ba ito?
Opo.
Profitability. Sige nga, kwentuhan mo ako, bro, kung ano ang tanungin mo ako tapos checkan ko.
Sige po, gano'n na lang po. Strongly agree kapag
Okay.
ginagawa niyo po siya. Sige po, start po tayo sa number 1.
Okay.
Yung coffee shop po guys, nagpe-prepare ng monthly cash flow to cash needs or cash expenses po.
Yes, definitely. Cash flow, needs and expenses. Okay.
Nag-maintain po ba kayo ng contingency funds or reserve para po ma-cover yung mga unexpected expenses like for equipment repairs or sudden increase po sa supply
Contingency fund na.
po.
Yes, definitely. Contingency fund.
And also po, kung nagre-review po kayo or nag-a-adjust ng expenses based on sa changes po ng cost of supplies or services.
Since franchise to, yung prices ng ay from the main pa rin galing. Pero may nangyari na nag-adjust sila pero hindi namin sinunod. So yung adjustment ng price doon, in-stay lang namin yung price namin. Kasi tataas eh.
Bali mataas po yung price ng main branch, tapos dito, nag-maintain lang po.
Nag-maintain lang kami ng price.
And possible po 4 or 3.
4 or 3, no?
Okay.
Sige, lagyan natin sa 3.
We routinely compare our actual coffee sales review to our forecasted revenue para po ma-identify kung merong discrepancy or make necessary adjustment dun sa cash flows projection.
Routinely compare discrepancies. Yes, definitely. Kailangan makita mo kung ano yung income today and for the next few days na. Ganun na. Kasi ang deal lang ng main branch, sabi dun sa computation, at least naka 70 cups ka per day. Okay na yun, sabi yan. Always more than 70 cups naman per day. So nakikita yung comparison na ano yung araw na wala talaga. Pero awa ng Diyos, no, kahit walang pasok. Meet lagi yung expectation. Awa ng Diyos. So, ang tanong ko dito, yung comparison, ano, is definitely, kailangan nakikita yun.
And by carefully tracking our cash inflows and outflows, we've been able to identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses.
Which means,
Yung, ito, tinatrack niyo po.
okay.
Tracking.
Unnecessary expenses. Tracking of expenses. Yes.
Kasi kaya po ng over-expense.
Oo. Yes, definitely.
And lastly po sa cash budgeting, kung yung cash flow forecast daw po ba is updated regularly para mag-reflect dun sa changes ng business operations.
Mm-hmm. Okay, one down.
One down. More to go.
Yes.
Ayan po. Sa ano naman po tayo? Cash allocation. Kung yung coffee shop po ba is effectively planned,
Okay.
kung paano po nila ina-allocate yung funds each month. Or si ano na po ba yun? Si franchise? Si
Monthly, ano, no, ang tinitingnan. Each month ba? Each month?
Opo.
Ang nagiging allocation ng budget ay daily.
Daily po.
Oo. Kasi hindi siya tinitingnan as a month. Tinitingnan yung kung ano yung magiging daily expenses, daily income, at itinatabi yung mga ano. So kung hindi siya month, ang sagot ko dito ay
Ano po? 3. 2. 2 po.
mga tulang. Okay.
Kasi po each month.
Kasi each month, ano, para kasi pag monthly yung naging basis mo, okay lang yun kung malaking company na.
Kilalang business po.
Kilalang ano, kung kumbaga talaga marami ka ng hassle, ano. Sige, try natin.
And our coffee shop allocates sufficient funds para po sa mga fixed expenses like rents, utilities, every month.
Okay. Oo. Ang isa pang advantage, since ang lahat naman ng hindi rin naman, paano ba? Lahat ng expenses, yes, nilalabas ng shop, pero may tendency pa rin na yung additional income nito, hindi lang sa sa shop galing eh. Okay, may piso wifi, may salary, may other sources of
Source of
income.
income.
So ang allocate sufficient funds for fixed expenses. Okay. Kung fixed expenses, rent and utilities.
Definitely.
Oo naman. Kung ang expenses ay tinutukoy na rent and utilities, naka-allocate na yan.
Okay.
Naka-allocate na yan.
Next po.
Fix na yan, tama.
Meron po bang clear plan para po sa pag-allocate ng cash para po ma-cover yung mga variable expenses like pasahod po sa mga employees, sa inventories po and sa supply.
Clear plan, yes.
Number 10, regular po ba yung review para sa budget para ma-ensure yung cash is allocated po na ma-meet yung both immediate and long-term needs po nila. Shop.
Okay.
And saan na po tayo? 12?
11.
Ay, 11 pa lang po. Kung yung shop po ba is clear and structured budgeting process para po mag-guide yung allocation po ng cash. Meron
Clear and structured.
structured budgeting process.
Hindi naman ito yung yung halimbawa naka MS, naka Excel. Hindi naman ganoon.
Hindi naman.
Okay. Kung cleared and notebook base, notebook base nga lang. Pero dapat ideally, no, naka-input din siya sa Excel.
Opo, kasi po sa Excel, input ka na lang, tapos kasama may computation.
Mas madali mo siyang makikita eh. Doon kasi sa book mo. Though, madali siyang kung hindi ka hassle, pero mas practical pa rin kung naka-Excel ka.
Opo, kasi doon, hindi ka na magko-compute eh. Tapos may formulas na rin na
Formula
ginagawa.
eh. Mas makikita mo na agad yung arrangement ng,
Yes po.
kung... Pero iniisip ko kung binibili rin yata yung plan na yun eh.
Depende.
meron ng
Ano po, depende po sa tool kasi may mga accounting tools din talaga like QuickBooks. Yung mga QuickBooks naman po, ano po yun, higher companies na po yun. Pero sa Excel po, meron po doon formulas na ginagamit na i-input mo na lang kung magkano po, kung ilan po yung bibili, tapos na-multiply na rin po siya minsan sa price, tapos yung total, kaya na po
manual ano na lang ang gagawin mo. Kumbaga manual formula,
Opo,
manual input.
Manual input na lang.
Sige. Magandang idea yan. Okay, yes. Saan ako?
Lastly po, cash allocation is reviewed regularly para po ma-ensure na align doon sa actual expenses.
Okay. Agree.
Ano po, cash control po tayo. Kung yung coffee shop po ba is nag-handle ng cash efficiently para or ensuring na yung transactions are processed na mabilis. Mabilis po process.
Cash efficiently. Okay.
Yung employees po ba ay trained to follow strict procedures para po sa recording ng cash transactions. Correct.
They are trained by experience. Pero
Yung process
yung
po, kung paano nila
process
ginagawa.
ng syempre iba pa rin yung accounting accounting skills mo na nakikita mo yung balancing So kung yun yung training na tinutukoy, kulang sa training.
Possible 3.
Training.
Number 15 po. 16, 15. Kung yung coffee shop po ba is gumagamit ng security system to monitor cash handling areas.
Oo. Meron tayong POS.
Ano po tawag?
POS.
Ano po yung
Para siyang parang na rin siya, naka-input na doon sa cellphone, tapos sa kasha, sa kaha. So kapag inindicate mo lahat ng orders, naka-organize siya doon.
Okay po.
So parang doon mo siya makikita kung magkano agad yung pumasok. Tapos itatali mo yun doon sa nasa loob ng kaha.
Breakdown.
Or breakdown mo yung kung sakto ba yung pagkaka-input nyo. Kasi pwedeng mag-abuno ka pagka hindi na ganun. So yung POS, ang purpose niya talaga ay para ma-organize yung pera. Yung pera tsaka yung paglabas-pasok ng mga items. So yes, definitely.
16, kung yung coffee shop po ba ay may clear policies para sa syempre pag-safeguard po ng cash during po ng business hours.
Clear policies. Siguro kung strict policies, 3 lang ako dito. Safeguarding cash during business hours. Mayroon namang CCTV, pero most of the time kasi staff lang yung nandun. So yung clear policies, kailangan lang magtali.
Ayun lang po.
Yun lang yung clear policies. Pero kasi kung hindi ka honest, kaya mo pa rin siyang gawa ng paraan. Kaya sa akin naman, once I hired you, I trust. Ganun yung naging siguro nasa ako dito. 3 siguro. Pero supposedly meron Paano ba yan? So, ideally, pero experientially, ano susundin ko doon? Yung ideal or experiential? Well, since experiential yung sige na, experiential ako.
Number 70 po lang.
Okay.
The coffee shop reconciles cash at the end of each shift to ensure its accuracy.
Reconcile cash. Yes, definitely.
18 po. Meron po bang proper security measures yung place to protect cash storage?
Yes. Nabanggit din. CCTV,
Cash drawers.
drawers, yes.
Cash shortages or overages are investigated immediately para ma-identify po sa mga
Investigated, pero not explicitly say na parang inano pa rin in a more understandable way. Kasi may mga chances talaga na baka nalito lang Sige, pero of course, definitely, kailangan investigahan agad immediately.
We have systems in place that minimize delays in cash handling and customer payments, manipulation times.
Mhm. Minimize delays. Paano yun? Paano yung minimize delays? Kasi
We have systems in place.
systems in place that minimize delays. In cash handling and customer payments. Ano yun? Parang nangutang? Parang ganun? Or we have systems in place that minimize delays in cash handling and customer payments. Baka ang tinutukoy nito ay yung system eh. Tama, yung POS. Yun yung nagsaserve as system na mag-assure nung either in delay or handling the customer payments. Yes. Yun yung yung mag-POS doon. The system. Okay.
Cash handling process is streamlined para po ma-avoid yung unnecessary steps that will slow down transactions.
Streamline? Paano streamlined? The process is streamlined to avoid unnecessary steps. Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng streamline dito? To avoid cash handling process. Sige, mga search. The cash handling process is streamlined to avoid unnecessary steps that could slow down transaction. Ano yun? Parang hinihimay mo? Parang ganun? Yung parang dinadissect mo yung kumbaga ino-organize mo. Parang ina-arrange mo siya. Parang ganun ba ang ibig sabihin ng streamline?
Organization.
Ino-organize, no? Ino-organize. Okay. To avoid unnecessary. Supposedly.
It's a work method.
Okay.
Location. Location po ba?
Okay.
Is nakapag-attract po ng high volume po.
Oo naman. Location is number one.
Close po ba sa public transports? Para po,
Yes, ideally, but not too close. Pero ito kasi ay daanan. Tsaka doon, paradahan. So, definitely, good place.
location is near popular attractions which increases customer visit and increases profitability.
Near popular attractions. So, kung dito, wala naman talaga ditong attraction na Pero since malapit sa simbahan, schools, so dahil napapalibutan ka at dinadaanan siya, so that could be a good place. Pero it not necessarily mean na nasa attractive ka. So 3 lang ako dito.
Operational efficiency. A coffee shop manages inventory para minimize waste which affects the overall profit of the shop.
Inventory, yes.
Next po yung staff po ba is staff training has improved your services speed and customer satisfaction leading sa higher profitability.
Ayan ang ko. Ayan. Thankful ako dyan. Kasi masisipag yung staff ko. Masisipag.
Yung regular niyo po bang ina-inspect yung inventory levels based on sales data which is yung essential po for maximizing your profitability.
Kung owner perspective, not regularly inspected, pero merong naka-assign to check it regularly.
Reducing waste from spoiling or oversupply contributes enhances operational efficiencies and boost
Reducing waste from spoiling. Ano ito? Oversupply. Okay. Di ba siya advantage na meron kang oversupply? Reducing waste from oversupply, from spoiling. Kasi may tendency na masira, na mabulok. Yung kasi yung possible.
expiration dates.
May tendency kasi na ganun. Pero since this is a coffee shop, so yung oversupply will be a good thing. at least marami kang stocks. Oo. So siguro dito 3 lang ako.
Product pricing, regularly review and adjust prices. Ito yung nasagot na rin ako.
Ano ba sagot ko dito?
Sa market trends to enhance profitability.
Okay.
Identify and address any significant cost saving opportunities para po ma-improve yung profitability.
Okay.
Discounts and promotions significantly enhance the profitability of
Discounts and promotions. Yeah. Ideally, yung shop kasi from the very start, student friendly na siya eh. Kumbaga, discounted na siya from the very start. Kung compared sa ibang so, yun yung isang asset na ay, okay, spend less, drink best. Kaya the discounts and promotions significantly enhance. Promotions, yes, definitely. Discounts, yes, but not applicable. But not really applicable sa shop. Pero sa bagay, discounted na nga siya from the very start eh.
menu diversity. A diverse menu attracts a wider range of customers, thereby increasing profitability.
Diverse menu attracts. Okay.
Seasonal offerings significantly boost your sales during certain times of the year or month and contributing of total.
Yes.
Yung high quality po ba ng menus, specialty and unique items, nakakapag-contribute po sa profit po ng shop.
Yes, definitely.
Kailan po lang 14?
14.
Yung iba't iba po bang offerings sa mga coffee shops ay nakaka-apekto po pagdating po sa overall sales and profitability?
Yeah. At least maraming mga options, choices. Oh, yes, definitely.
The menu effectively satisfies different dietary needs.
Kung dietary, basically kasi pag milk tea, so sugar siya eh. Unless may preference ka na low sugar. Yung sugar level mo ngayon. So kung effectively satisfies different dietary needs, siguro nasa lang ako dito. Nasa 3 lang. Kasi depende sa customer kung ano yung sugar level eh.
Customer preference po. Knowing what customers like has boosted our function.
What customers like? Ano kasi franchise. So yung freedom to explore, limited. Unless meron silang, sila yung mag-modify. Gusto ko po extra shot o kaya. Pero yung freedom to modify, hindi masyadong ano ba to? Customers like has boosted our coffee shop sales. Okay. Syempre naman. What customers like.
Kaya alam po yung feedback.
Syempre
Yung
naman.
feedback na nakatulong. Aligning our offers with customer taste. Ano po yung
Yeah. So,
presyo sa enhance the profitability. Align po yung atmosphere po ba ng coffee shop significantly naka-influence para maka-attract yung customers.
yeah.
Sa marketing po, yung marketing strategies po ba is effectively connect with target audience, leading to greater profitability.
Marketing, yes.
Meron po ba strong social media preferences help to your customer base na nag-lead po sa high profitability.
Okay.
The coffee shop can adapt to the continuous changing trends and consumer preferences which enhances profitability. 23, effective marketing strategies are crucial for driving sales and enhance the profitability of your coffee shop. Resiliency. And dahil po sa cash budgeting, ay naikip po na mga cash research for, like for example, emergency fund savings, para po ma-cover up at least 3 months of operating expenses during financial shocks or unexpected events such as natural disasters.
Yeah.
Our cash allocation allowed Their cash allocation allows you na mag-set aside ng designated emergency fund na madali pong i-access para po makover yung unexpected expenses. Like for example, nagkaroon po ng equipment breakdowns.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Emergency funds.
So do you believe that yung cash management po ba is allows you to maintain adequate insurance coverage which protects you against financial losses due to financial shocks or unexpected events?
Insurance coverage. Yeah. Supposedly. Four.
Yung cash allocation strategy po ba is involve po yung regular assessing your insurance to ensure na kayo po ay most appropriate coverage for your business needs whenever meron pong financial shocks or unexpected.
Mm-hmm. Insurances.
And pag meron dyan things
Ano to? 5 pa lang. Or cash control measures of
yung
procedures.
cash control po measures help you na mag-adjust para sa spending during financial shocks.
Mm-hmm. Ano to? 6. Thanks to our profitability. We keep our debt as a manageable level, which reduces financial strain. Profitability. We keep our debt a manageable level. We keep our debt. So, ano lang ako dito. Kasi yung ideally, kapag nangungutang ka, maganda nga siyang gamitin sa business. No? Pero sa situation ngayon, not applicable.
Financial is reflected in your ability demonstrated by development of multiple revenue streams like for example catering, venue rental na nakakatulong para minimize yung overall reliance on single income source.
Kasi merong mga mobile bar, mga events. So, isang malaking bagay yun to get from another income.
Ang coffee shop's profitability po ba is nagpo-provide ng funds na nag-allow mo para maging successful ang operations. Like for example, increase delivery services.
Okay. Yeah. Bonuses, strategic. Last 3. Last 2 pala.
By using cash management practices, your financial planning goal is effectively used to provide support during unexpected events or helping you to maintain efficiency.
Government support. Ano ka example ng government support niya? Helping us maintain efficiency and profitability. Kung government support, parang di siya applicable. Ano ba ito?
Your consistent profitability driven by strong sales growth prepares us you for potential financial shocks and unexpected.
Yeah, financial stocks. Expected. Definitely. Okay, nakatapos ka na.
Bali po, grabe lang. Business Ito, optional lang naman po yan.
Ito, di na to. Dito na lang. Business name. Location.
Shampoo.
Wala na. Pangalan, wala na? Hindi na? Ah, okay. Oh bro, congrats in advance ha. Congrats ha, congrats ha. Gagraduate ka na this March? July?
Ano pa po, baka September pa tayo.
September pa?
Ang finals na po namin ay second week ng June, ay January.
January pa.
Tapos, actually, ito na lang po subject ng thesis na. Tapos, Excel po, JP.
JP. Sarap. Financial.
God bless po.
Good luck bro ha. Good luck. Okay. Alright.
Salamat, sir.
Okay. Good luck.